Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel ener mala Kenya mwe kanal dialen konti lianka roasni Kanwar online TV channel tukon karaj mi bikon linga tama kajan gwasame raja bana ling ne yaga dana chitok ki me chitok menji tok run wangre wicha kanasar report me shala de kum South Sudan so bana jeling kele na me kadwo bana chiriga me chitoko je be content kone alat gwas me tin chala da commissioner dung Nasser bana jeling bane ka je report me kan kono ni amre ler kana me mi jiram jidit Kanwar online TV channel naga je no gender subscribe der notification bell der je twan ka der je nyak ba kan ri ko kien ko de kan ler ti de kan kula je ala mi subscribe no de je no shunga kel ka channel je support da der top gorno bi notification bell bi je twan kalam ne duwar gorba mi shi guje no dong te mi der lar ti nyejen ke ko comment jen gam der comment ke jemo gwaye aller ban lat gwasa me aller mu goro dong de rande jelinga gwa ka do bdan en shajalat ke je re wi kanasar no bana jelin kele gwa comment shalat gwasa me shi kuma jane ke kuma dinka kuma kirma yadit kan naitin kontin jakok tila nuere tin naka nuere re wich kanasar kana lungu shuk shala do nene shi ka nasar bukan wale ka shanga wal bangwan ka pay diok ron kina dangro jen dangro re wid diech tuwagri ga more wich kanasar re wich kanasar gwazen shi ka buktin shi ka gan matot mtegrundi tot ka shek ashikan ga moy ka bot dit wate ka critical condition ka do brana shalat ke ja charaj mo chaja kwenina Nasser County Commissioner shalat no chirega mo chatwo gwa mi chaje titin radio nten konti la nying South Sudan no shalat no ne chi Antonov kirenial Chabogan wala karunwang kata diok mitega jendang diok am ala boga ka war ngode war kan pin kan ni kan na baga gwa ngode mirmir kede ko lar ngode ba war ko ta diok wadar so cho bok an gwadran chabok market ke katuk ngai kon tuk jen gwadan la ngala ga ko katen so de na yik to toy katen cho bok tuk gwadan naten ka shwe tuk cho jawang cho dol cho ka wang anono ala kwak dial content gwad mon chuka wang neme alat kirme yadit mishalat kena bolmel ke makwilwet ka neti ko ken diaten content to contribute ka bukan war bukan ka torture ke bukan ka ham are gwad dana chik bokten waken chik nyok bok ka cluster bomb dio je darmiel ti cho welkel ki darmiel bakel ko dobrana chala ke je wa chicken ke yor pinyam gwadamo chicken garm tot ken shek kel a chicken mu ka bot dit ko dobrana chala ke ja chi commissioner dung Nasser je nyoko ladine ne James Galwak te ko ran telar gwasame chala no eramen chamu ka bot eri kamanana chi kuma SSPDF chi ko bokare ne alkaja a chelar no an chi chamu ka bot a check SSPDF a check de ni SSPDF SSPDF ke din ten te chari outdoor which ka Nasser ka wi yara du kwade dana chi korja togoja mukula wona ko bi kanne to content laji ke jang ke dinka bukan ware bukan ka magre bukan Nasser bukan ka bom ne ka class bom kem kol ma shala do chaja de bugna ano shukon ngaji no rik to tolat ko rin ka tada na che jang che kana lel ke ja ano en jaro la shanak na ka jejen bor duno changa do na ka jejen bor te ko da nak ne de content tin la SSPD abane gwade dan ci ko ci tokten ko me dan me jenen gudu me were re nyal neti kon la dini ke ci kanon no de kan nak ban ci gare nyal kan doj ma den go dan to rekten ano so gwade me te ke dini tin wande tere wich kan Nasser tama te la dini SSPDF kan dini to kan dini content kwala bom kuma kirmi yadi da loke dini ka che goro dini ka daga jena kana daga liukel ke general majur cha kunya ware wi ka juba an wala gwad mi chirik tungwan chi ko tok tin tin ko ni kan kalat. Okay, so kalib kan mi ku ma kir ma yadit che kula bin be ke che kula nang duno kana shega mo kana gada ke kan ko chala ro check SSPDF jen cha mo ko bodone ji SSPDF tin chi renyali che bok jen kan gan mutot ko do dana chalat ke ja. The commissioner of Nasser confirmed that renewed airstrike by an Antonov military aircraft dropped 11 bombs on Nasser town at dawn on Wednesday, destroying the market and injuring a woman and her 2-year-old child at the commissioner residence. And the content chamer gwada me gan metot kan ran kan gada sheikh SSPDF ko dobran chala jeje jen kan gada metot mutun garun dangaro kan ko ne amu ko bot la class bom nana cha merjin Nasser ki cha merre wi kan Nasser jena wa ka dormele dangwel kel kan kon ci pare wi kan Nasser mu kuyina nen wanga me mi ci wanga na lo nek ne de kon tere wi kan Nasser ku mi kin mu yadit let kana tiang aba wuri shalga majur baje ko nyone ka chang der mandan. In a phone interview, Commissioner James Galwak Leo confirmed that the injured woman and child are family members of SSPDF soldiers who was killed in the Nasser garrison during the White Army attack on March 4th. One shigame kana gadawa ke ji kanede konen chunkel ke SSPDF dinde konen anak ka Nasser garrison ke ka wiyara diu gwade te deni SSPDF tegeten anono gwade chakanak jijenbor. He pointed out that the bombardment took place early Wednesday at 3:30 a.m. It happened early this morning around 3:30 a.m., said Commissioner Galwak. We realized that it was an Antonov aircraft from Uganda that carried out the bombardment. Uganda, okay. Dio minong je yagwada me I can show to you, so telerek let me show to you ka mane ko biya ko ngaje no renyal dien chi bokone so te ga ji Uganda renyal me nana je jana gwada me renyal Uganda jen chi bokone. Okay, jenan chi bokone Nasser. It happened early this morning around 3:30 a.m. Say Commissioner Galwak. We realized that it was an Antonov aircraft from Uganda that carried out the bombardment. They used the same chemical they dropped on Nasser last Sunday. It is the same tactic they repeated. Ajani tadan chikanel gajan tadan chikane na gajan chanka jogedan. So and kum Uganda bokona di nen ka ber gwada kani content boka tin boka nuääri. Okay, ka kirma yadit kam ka ladme wi ladaja. The first wave directly hit the market. Ajani metin yam konen chipana kan chiga pen katuk. Ajani 7 barrel fell into the market. Ala durmiele dang barrow chiga pen ray market ka. Shu kan dia likan ka chicken ka wang burning it down. Then the plane came back and dropped 4 more bombs targeting my compound. Ajani ngwa shu plan pono shu lo jok. Ajan me chi renal che lo jokko che ngar dang baro che ga yorpin class bom dang wal ke dang baro che yorpin ajan shu ko shu nyoro nyorit ajan chu renal mo shu bom no dang wan shu ko yore kala dung commissioner so jene jendana chi talk he described the devastation caused by the bomb. The commissioner explained that 7 of the 11 bombs struck the market, burning it down and leaving people in critical condition. The market is in rain and much of the area is left in ash, he said. Commissioner Galwak also reported that the other 4 bombs targeted his compound were the one that injured the mother and her child. Ajane bomb dang wana contain chabu yore kale ajikane kan bomb dun contain kwa shiga SSPDF me kan gada kwa ka muka bot ko kanere konti la de ni nying SSPDF tekel ke jan commissioner money. Instead, the child is in critical condition and receiving treatment at local clinic, awaiting transfer to Lang Hospital. The mother Nyaji Maret is stable but severely injured. The child is in critical condition and receiving treatment at a local clinic. We are trying to transfer them to Lang Hospital for further care, Commissioner Galwak stated. The mother is stable but still badly injured. The commissioner also asserted that injured woman is the wife of the late SSPDF soldier Dengai from Twitch Mayadit County, who was killed in Nasser garrison. Washigame wajen chwali nyaje meredente kagada wa shek wujanga mchwali Dengai, jen ka Twitch Mayadit, jen watere kala ne ka Nasser garrison ku yara diu, cha chode cha jene ka ngwado mone. The women and child are survivors from Wiyaradu. During the previous attack, they were in a barrack but fled to the town for safety. We keep them at residence for protection until we could find a way to send them to Juba, Galwak say. She is the wife of an SSPDF soldier killed in Nasser, and her injuries are severe. There were two women. The other one ran together with other women, but this woman, because he had a small child, struggled to carry the child and her belonging. Unfortunately, they didn't manage to hide where other people went and hide themselves. That is exactly what happened, Commissioner Galwak explained. Despite the ongoing challenge, the commissioner assured that efforts to provide further medical assistance are underway. We are doing everything we can to refer them to specialized Ulang Hospital for further care, Galwak added. Our medical team is working hard to find a way to refer them. I also been in contact with organizations on the ground, especially the LZ provider NGOs. The bombing which occurred at the crack of dawn has left the town reeling as the situation continues to unfold. The community is struggling to cope with the aftermath of the devastating attack. Listen to this voice.
What happened? It happened today early morning around 3:30 a.m. This is the time when the bombardment was carried out in Nasser town, and we also realized that it is a Uganda antelope that came and carried out the bombardment. They were actually using the same chemical barrel which they also threw to Nasser last Sunday. It is the same thing that they also repeat. They did it twice. The first rotation was directly the 7 barrel fall into the market, directly to the market, and it burned on the market. They fast and they came back. The other 4 was actually targeting my compound, where the 4 of them fall within the compound. The one fall into the market, people were safe. How about what were the other 4 that fall within the compound? They had a mother and a child of 2 years. They are currently in the hospital, still surviving under the medical care. However, the child is really in critical condition, which we even cannot predict how the situation is going to be later.